Meaning of grilse.
grilse,
Grilse.
grilse,
Grilse. Grilse refers to a young sea trout or salmon that returns to its freshwater origins after spending just one winter at sea. These fish are typically smaller than their counterparts who spend more time at sea, and they return to freshwater to spawn. The term grilse is often used in fishing and angling communities to describe these young fish. In summary, grilse is a term used to describe small sea trout or salmon that have returned to freshwater after just one winter at sea for the purpose of spawning.